Are you curious about data security? Let's dive into Veracrypt and Bitlocker. In this video, we'll compare these two popular encryption tools. Both aim to keep your files safe, but they do it in different ways. Veracrypt is an open source tool. It allows you to create encrypted containers for your files. You can also encrypt entire drives. It offers strong security features and flexibility. Users love its ability to hide volumes, making it harder for anyone to find your data. On the other hand, BitLocker is built into Windows. It's easy to use and integrates well with the operating system. BitLocker encrypts your entire drive automatically. It's great for users who want a simple solution without extra steps. Now, let's look at the key differences. Veracrypt gives you more control and customization. You can choose how to encrypt your files. BitLocker, however, is more user friendly and works seamlessly with Windows devices. When it comes to features, Veracrypt supports multiple encryption algorithms. This means you can pick the best one for your needs. BitLocker offers some advanced features like automatic encryption when you set up your device. In terms of pricing, Veracrypt is free to use, which is a big plus. BitLocker is included with certain versions of Windows, so you won't pay extra if you already have it. So, who should choose what? If you want full control and advanced options, go for Veracrypt. If you prefer simplicity and ease of use, BitLocker is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.